Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to download Windows ISO from Microsoft website. So first of all, go to the web browser and search for Windows 10 download and go to this Microsoft website download page. If you can't find it, I will put the link in the description. So the issue with this website is you cannot really see the ISO download option here. So only you can see download option for media creation tool. So this one, if I click this one, you see that it only download the Windows media creation tool instead of Windows 10 ISO. So today I will show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file from this website. So after you go to Windows 10 page, or you can do the same for Windows 11 as well. Right click and click inspect, and then click this toggle device toolbar icon. If you are using another browser like Firefox, I think they also have this option. Let's see, inspect, and in here you can see this icon, responsive designer. So you have to just click this in Firefox. Since I use Chrome browser, it looks like this. And what you have to do is just change it to mobile layout using this menu. So I just select this layout and reload the page again. So now what you have to do is to select the edition you want to download. So here you can either select this option and click confirm. And so now it's asking which Windows Lineage edition you want to download. So select a Lineage, your preferred one. So I select English United States version and click confirm. So here you can select the edition you want to download, 32-bit version or 64-bit version. So I select 64-bit version and it will begin to download the Windows 10 ISO. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. I will get back to you. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So see you in the next video.